Good morning. My name is Dr. Sue Ellen Christopoulos Nutting, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to fill out ILL forms when using EBSCO database through Lib Guides when off campus. So in the video before, I talked about how to actually access the library when off campus. So make sure you go through your portal, either your faculty portal or your student portal. And then when you come to your resources, click on library. And as I stated, this is explaining how to use the ILL forms through the EBSCO database when using Lib Guides. So you click on Lib Guides. And what we're going to do here is in the search box under EBSCO databases, we're going to search for, make sure your cursor's there, muscle function and stability. Click search. And you'll see here on the results page, if you look at the first one, you can go right to full text finder and get that article. PDF is for the second, full text finder for the third, fourth is PDF, fifth linked full text, and then here number 6. Let's say this is the perfect article that you want. So you go right ahead and you click on request this item through interlibrary loan. And when the screen comes up, you'll see that the beginning part you have to put in your first name, your last name, and any place that you see a red asterisk, that's the information that you have to fill in. But if you scroll a little further down, you'll see that EBSCO actually fills out this information for you. So here we have the journal title, we have the article title, and so on and so forth. And then at the end, you just click submit, and it goes right to our interlibrary loan coordinator, and they will contact you as soon as they hear from the library that we're requesting this information from, or this article from. If you have any other questions, please email me at snutting@nycc.edu. Thank you. Be safe.